Hey money makers, welcome back to Over Here We Craft for Money. I am DJ, and in today's video I am sharing something with you that I absolutely think can help you make money in your crafting business. So let's jump in. So I don't know if you've ever been to Michael's and walked in and saw boxes that look like this. They usually have a tag on them like the one you see here that lets you know you can pay one price and get everything inside the box, no matter how much it costs. Now, they're blind boxes. As you can see, it's taped up, so you don't know what's in it when you're paying the price that you're paying, but it's usually well worth it. So I happened to pop over into Michael's because I have to work on a special order for one of my fundraisers that I'm doing. And what did I find? I found the last St. Patrick's Day box. Now this was a surprise because they usually never label it, but you can kind of guess that it's the season you just left out of, but they never tell you. And it's usually $10. And I don't know if you guys can see, but I got this whole box for $5. When I tell you I'm so excited, I have not opened it up. I thought I would share my joy with you by opening it up at the same time I'm seeing it, you seeing it, and we'll talk about what's in it. And at the end, I think we'll come to the conclusion that it was probably well worth this $5 that I just spent. So let's crack this baby open. All right, so I got my scissors and I'm gonna go ahead and cut open the tape. Now let me know down in the comments if you've ever seen these boxes. I know I've seen a couple of videos on YouTube from time to time with crafters that looked up and bought the boxes and for $10 and then, you know, saw what they had. So for us, the reason that I say I think if you ever look up and find yourself in a Michael's when they have these boxes on sale, but there's usually one item that's in the box that makes the whole purchase worth it. And it's usually a clothing, apparel type item, and then everything else is just the extra frosting. So again, this one was themed St. Patrick's Day. I know St. Patrick's Day is behind us. However, depending on what's in here, we still may be able to use some of this stuff in the holidays that are coming up. But either way, let's jump into this box and let's see what $5 got us. Okay, so the first thing that I see, which is super cute and can actually be used in the coming months, is we've got 1, 2, 3, just making sure, 3 little miniature pride pillows. This is nice. This is nice. Can y'all see that? Let's get a little closer for you. It's textured and puffy. This is super cute. This backspace here can absolutely be customized with some heat transfer vinyl, probably some glitter vinyl. And let's just look at the price, $19.99 in US. If you're from Canada, it would cost you $24.99. So we got 3 items already valued at $60. And we got it in our $5 box. We could absolutely customize these 3, make it a limited quantity sale on our Etsy shop, allow them to customize, and then charge whatever choosing is up to us. Our price would be up to us. But Pride Month is coming, so we can absolutely do something with this. And I actually make t-shirts and coffee mugs on my shop, Finer Deals. So what a great bargain. All right, the next thing that I see are lights. These are the cute little fairy lights. They call them crafting lights, but they also have our rainbow, our Pride rainbow. Oops. We got 4 of these, guys, 4 of them. And they retail on the package for $14.99. Let me come closer so you can get a closer look. They light up. How cute is this? They light up. This is so adorable. For $15 a piece, and we got 4 of them. So that's $60 worth of string lights right there. All right, let's see. Looks like we have us a St. Patrick's Day light up one. Again, same price, $14.99. And this one is St. Patty's Day with the little hat. That's super cute. I think I only see one of those in there. We're gonna say 5 sets of lights at $15 a piece of $75. All right, I told y'all there's usually an apparel situation going on, and looks like this box has 1, 2. Okay, this box has t-shirts. Now this is an extra small, $12.99. Says Dad's Little Shenanigator. Dad's Little Shenanigator. So we have that one. Okay, so this is an extra small as well. Good luck charm on that one. Looks like we have a couple of those. Again, an extra small. Good luck charm t-shirt. And these are nice, soft style shirts. Okay, this one is a small, so slightly bigger. And does not say, yes, these are youth. Okay, and so right now we have got extra small and small youth St. Patrick's Day shirts. They're retailing for $12.99. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And actually, these 5 are $12.99. So we're gonna say 5 youth tees. They are $12.99, so we're gonna say 13. We're gonna round up. And that's our $45 for this. Already made. Mind you, what makes these amazing? We don't have to press anything on them. These shirts are ready to be upsold come St. Patrick's Day. So we're gonna move these to the side. This alone has paid for this box. We're gonna move this to the side. This green one actually is, okay, it was $12.99 too. I was looking at the $16.99. So we ended up with 6 shirts that we could round up. So go ahead and add that extra one there. And that brought that total of $58 worth of shirts that we don't even have to do anything to but package, and we're ready to resell. And I promise you, we're not even done with this box. We got more to go, so let's keep digging. Sticking on our little apparel situation, I see some cute socks. Love me some socks, love me some socks. Oh baby, I love me some socks. Let me get closer so you can see my cute socks that I don't have to do nothing to. All right, this is a pair of youth socks, $5. We got 1 pair of those. We've got this one for $4.99. Another pair of youth socks. This one is youth knee-high socks with a little glitter. So that's super cute, $4.99. We have some youth crew socks. This one looks a little more like it would have been for a little boy, but super cute, $5 for that. And then this one is not even youth. This is for adults. And this one is $5.99. So let's just add up our socks. $5, $10, $15, $20, $25 worth of socks. Nice, nice. 25, we gotta write that down. 5 pairs of socks. $25. And again, we don't have to do anything to those socks but package them, and they're ready to be sold. Ready to be sold. And we still got more in our box. Now we got a little of the picks. If you've ever been in Michael's flower pick section, you know that that section can be a little pricey. But in here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 St. Patrick's Day holiday picks for $4 a piece. These are $4 a piece, nice and sturdy, can be flush. You can do so many things with these picks. You can use these on your wreaths. You know we love a good wreath over here. So we can use these for wreaths. We can use these for our flower planters. There's a project that I'm going to be doing a video on very shortly. I was inspired by another YouTuber, so I'm going to try my hand at it, and I could see this being something really cute for a theme. But again, we've got 5 of these for $4. So we got 5 floral picks at $4 a piece. So that is $20 in floral picks. And wreath making, y'all already know I'm through the moon. I am through the moon. Look at what is in my box, y'all. 3 nice size rolls of mesh. These are 18-foot deco mesh that we make our wreaths with. Oh my goodness. And these retail for $9.99. These are $10 a piece, y'all. And I got 3 of them in my $5 box. Oh my goodness. So we got 3 18-feet deco meshes. They are $10 normally. So that's $30 worth of deco mesh, y'all. I think y'all already gonna know the answer to this video is this box from Michael's worth it? Yes, but we gonna keep on going because I'm not kidding. The box is not empty. I would not expect an amazing box without some ribbon. And how stinking cute is this ribbon? Let's get closer. Y'all look at this. How cute are they? Our little gnomes. So we've got for $3, well, they retail for $3.99 according to the price there, $3.99. But we've got ourselves 9 feet of 2.5-inch ribbon, and wired ribbon at that, guys. Wired ribbon at that. We have 2. And you all know from our previous wreath making videos, 2 rows of ribbon is all we need to fluff out a good wreath. But we're not done. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, looks like only 1 of these. It is some 8-foot garland that says Lucky and has the Mylar balloon that says Lucky inside. I'll bring it closer so you can see that one. Yep, we got some decor. $7 is what this normally retails for. So let's add that down. Looks like I got myself some decor for when I film my St. Patrick's videos next year, don't I? All right. Now these look like cheeky fun. Let's see what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of St. Patrick's Day themed sunglasses. Now these are cute. These really are cute. Probably some good decor when I'm staging some film for, like, you know, my mugs, when I want to get some really good photos for my Etsy shop. This sitting next to, you know, some of the deco mesh, but still, guys, these glasses retail for $5 and we've got 5 of them. And these are cute too. So we got 3 with the little bling on them. And then we have 2 that are shamrocks. 2 that are shamrocks. How cute. Oh, this is so cute. This is so cute. So we have 5 of these at $5 a piece. So we know that is $25. All right. Almost to the bottom. So we've got some little bracelets. I like these. I like to stack these when I do wear them. But they charge $7.99 regularly for that. And we've got 2 of them. And actually, we could break these apart and sell them 1 by 1 at a craft show. So we got 2 of these. They're $8 a piece, so that's another $16. And honestly, with these, you could probably sell them for $3 a piece. So I ain't saying you're gonna make a whole lot of money, but baby, you're gonna make some money. Oh my goodness. And now we're down to the final item in the box. We've got some little decor signs. This one already decorated, just a wee bit Irish. We got 2 of these, nice, heavy, nicely weighted. These are $7 a piece. And we got 2 of these. So that's 14 bucks. Let's add that up. And then we've got 5 of these that say, "You are my lucky charm." I'll bring it closer. But we got 5 of those. Get them out first. Because now we're, whoa. I'm not editing it out. Y'all gonna see that too. Let's move our $5 box. Oh goodness, there's one more. I didn't even see it. Okay, let's move the box. Ooh. So guys, we got 6 of these. Let's come this way. We got 6 of these. How adorable. And they say, "You are my lucky charm." They are $7 a piece. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 7, do my math. Got our 42. Now these are cute. I don't even have to keep these at St. Patrick's Day signs. I can paint over these, I can sand these down, and these little jar signs can become something for kitchen decor. I can put a little hanger on the back and now it can hang. I can put some of the Dollar Tree wood on the back and make it stand up. But either way, I got 6 of these. So now, let's do our math so we can talk about how much would this have cost us had I had to buy all of this retail. So let's do some math. We had 3 pillows for $60, 5 light sets for $75, 5 pairs of socks for $25, 5 floral picks came to $20, and our 5 youth t-shirts were $58, and 3 rolls of deco mesh was $30. Had 2 rolls of wired ribbon for $7, garland for $7, sunglasses at $25, bracelets at $16, the signs at $14, and the small decor signs for $42, for a grand total of $379. And this is the kind of quality that you get out of a lot of those boxes from Michael's. I am so glad that I walked into my Michael's the day that I did, because I hadn't seen a chance to snatch me up one in a while. So how lucky am I? All of this is going to be used and will be reused and flipped to make me some money, or either save me some money as it relates to my decor when I'm filming my YouTube videos. This alone, the shirts alone made the box worth it. But from $5 and I got all of this, I encourage, if you happen to stumble into Michael's Honey and you see one of those bonus boxes, I tell you, take a chance. Take a chance, because as you can see, there's not anything in this box that is not sellable. So, quick video, just wanted to pop in and share with you. I'm excited about it. Let me know down in the chat, have you ever purchased one of the Michael boxes, and what was your experience? But for me, this is getting a thumbs up, and if you think that what I got was absolutely worth the $5 that I spent, throw me a thumbs up or a green little shamrock honey down in the chat so I know that you saw my video. Until the next one, take care. Bye.